Hello, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. Today I'm going to share my recipe for a eggnog. Now, if you are vegan and you're missing out on drinking some eggnog during this holiday season, I have the number one solution for you. Today I'm going to be using the BIGELOW EGGNOGG'N tea bags. These tea bags do not have egg in it. It's kosher, it's dairy free, it is vegan. So I'm basically taking 3 of their tea bags. I'm going to add 3 cups of water to the pan. But this tea bag collection, I believe it usually comes out during the holiday season, and I think it is a great solution to people who don't drink dairy and would like to still be in the mix of drinking eggnog during the holiday season. Now, this version is a very light version, and you will see how I make it and how I mix it together. If you'd like your eggnog to have a thicker consistency, I have the number one solution for you. You could actually add a couple tablespoons of SEAMOSS to the mix in a blender, and this will help with that. So in my cup, I am going to add 2/3 cups of that steeped EGGNOGG'N tea. So I'm adding in that to my cup of ice. And I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of vanilla coffee creamer by the Silk brand. This is almond coffee creamer, also dairy free, also vegan friendly, and also 1/3 cup of almond breeze unsweetened almond milk. Now, like I said, if you want to take it up a notch, if you want your eggnog to have a thicker consistency, you could actually just take this liquid, add it to a blender, add in a tablespoon or 2 of SEAMOSS, and blend it up, and that will help with that consistency. But I don't really care for thickness, so all I'm doing is I'm adding in some cinnamon, a dash of cinnamon, a dash of nutmeg, and I'm just going to decorate my cocktail cup with a candy cane. And there you have it, vegan nog. Eggnog. This is how I make my eggnog for the holiday season, and trust and believe, you don't miss out on anything. These tea bags taste like eggnog. That's it for Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food.